Let's go, yaar. I am done with food now. Now I had breakfast. Now I'm feeling well. At least I'm feeling good now. No, let's go. Let's move fast now. It's already been around. What time it is? Let me check. Oh my god, 9:18. By 9:30, I need to move to. I need to. By 9:40, I need to reach to Santinagar at least. No, then I can reach to office on time. Otherwise, I will be late. That's for sure. It's good, yaar. You know, after having breakfast, I am feeling very good. It's good to have breakfast daily, So I need to wake up early at least, around 6 o'clock. If I will I will wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I can have breakfast daily. From tomorrow I will try. Tomorrow is holiday, I think. It's 1st October. I don't know why, but I think so. It is holiday. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow as well. To 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. Let's go straight. Why to go from there? Let's go from here only. Otherwise, what we can do, go from there, from this route. But there is nobody, so we can go from here only. Oh my god, they are building wall now. They are moving so fast now. This station will start soon, I think, because it's almost completed. Almost means almost, not 100% completed. Yeah, you can say 70% completed. So if this station will start now, I will be good. I will feel good. It's good for me only. In rainy days, I can go to office easily. I don't have to search for buses and all. So I'm also not that much good in English, but I am trying to speak in English so you guys can understand. See, yeah, start from somewhere. Start from somewhere. Not starting, not an option. You have to start from somewhere at least. Try to speak in English. Whoever is having fear, like how I can speak English, I am having fear. If you are in IT sector or in any sector, nowadays English is very much compulsory. If you are not able to speak in English, no matter how much knowledge you have, you can't compete with world. Literally, that's the thing. It doesn't mean I will leave my native language. It doesn't mean that. I will speak that too. But still, if you want to survive in this IT world, you need to be good in English at least. At least you need to make a proper communication with other person. See, I am also trying. I am also not that good in English. So I am trying. You can appreciate it, if you want. And I am always there for you. No matter, nobody is supporting, somebody is supporting, it doesn't matter. Just start speaking, and start ASAP. If you're not starting ASAP, you will be behind. It will take a lot of time then. See, they started from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again they got to 6. See what happening over there. I don't know what they are doing. What kind of nasa they are doing at morning. I had breakfast nasa, but they are doing some other sort of nasa. Today I'm not able to see that much traffic till now. I don't know. Later, maybe I will find a lot of traffic over there nearby Shantinagar. But right now, that much traffic is not there. So I might be reach early. Might. I'm not 100% sure, but I might reach early. So I told you already, like one episode will come in English and one in Hindi. So you guys can watch both. And give some suggestion. I am also trying to improve my English, improve my communication skills. Look at this tower. This is look like good tower, no? It is connected from other tower, I will show you one day. Not now, I am getting late already. Right now it's not possible, but I will show you one day. Oh my god, I got stuck here. I think I need to move that side. But bus is going on, no? So I can't move. If I will move that side, the dirty bus will put me inside dirt only. I will have dirt path then. That's why I'm not going that side. It's good to go from here only. So now I can move to that side. So now let's move. Traffic light is already open. Good. I think God is helping me now to reach early. Don't know where. Kidding. Oh my god, this is not good, Brake is not working here, all said. It will not work. It's good to avoid brake on sand. Whenever you are moving on sand, just try to avoid brake. Otherwise, it will skid. I faced it a lot of time. Or apply brake very slowly. So it will save that. Let's see by 9:40 I'm able to reach Shantinagar or not. Maybe or maybe not. But I will try my best to reach office by 9:40. And do like, share, subscribe, yaar. Like, 99% people are not subscribing. Why yaar? Subscribe. Oh, we will grow together. Subscribe it. Where you wanna go? This side only, no? That's good. Otherwise, he was moving that side and putting indicator for this side. What the hell? See, traffic is not there today. Don't know why. What's the reason? Maybe a lot of people go to home. You know, festival is going on, no? Deepavali, Dasara and all. That's why. That can be the reason. I thought I want to have banana now, but leave it. Let's reach office, then I will decide what I will have. You know, in my office they implemented something now. Like, whenever you are reaching office from that like point onward or from that time, you need to stay in office for 8 hours and condition reserve. Means you need to follow both, and you don't need to go outside for more than 45 minutes. See, what the hell is this? This is not good, no? Traffic is there, yeah. Let's move. I am thinking to change company. I am still intern in that company where I am working right now, but still thinking about it. For that I need to study, I think. I need to, you know, find some time to study. I am thinking to go to product based company now. This company is also product based company, but it is not that good. What the hell? Traffic is there. I thought traffic will not be there. Let's see how much time it is taking to reach to Shantinagar first. Then I will decide. I am literally not feeling well. See my eye, it is getting red. my god, it's too hot outside. Why they are not moving? What the hell is this? Move fast yaar. It's 9:33 already. I think I made a mistake. I waited to have breakfast. Now I have it. I'm feeling good. But still, if I will get late, I need to apply for regularization. I don't think so I have regularization in this month. Because I already exhausted my 7 regularization. Why it is not moving at all? Oh no, it's moving. Now let's go. Move fast yaar. I need to reach early. Now I think so I will reach by 9:40. Shantinagar by 9:40. That is possible now. My god. I reached here at least. I am near by Shantinagar. I will reach by 9:40 Shantinagar. Then I think 9:60 means 10 o'clock. I will reach to Shivaji Nagar. Not 10, by 10 I will reach to Shivaji Nagar at least. Because it will take at least half an hour to reach there. Yesterday I was watching one series, forgotten name, Billionaire Bunkers. It is newly released. It is good, I think. You know, if you want to watch some interesting like movie, you can go for Billionaire Bunkers. You will enjoy for sure. It's a good. At the starting you will feel like what the hell is this? Oh my god, what the hell is this traffic? Why? It's 9:37. I reached here already. Yeah, this is Shantinagar. 9:38. I reached Shantinagar. 2 minutes early. 2 minutes earlier than what I promised, you know. That's good. See, I know my voice changed a lot because I was not feeling well. I got through some treatment, so it is effect of medication. Not treatment, home treatment. So my vocal is not good right now. Bear with it, yaar. For some time at least, But my original voice will return. You will enjoy. Yeah, now we can move. Let's see when I'm reaching the office. I think I will reach on time now. I think so. Let's go, yaar. Move fast. Little bit fast. Not that much. Little. Four, three, two, one. Move now. Red, yellow, and green. See how he came from this side. It's good I saw him. Otherwise some crash will happen. I'm not getting what this tanker is doing here. It is putting some water on road or what? For what purpose? It is leaking or it's a government service like to remove dust from road. They are putting it. Don't know. See, little. Move, yaar, move. I'm moving slow today, because this heat air, this air is very much heated. It keep bouncing on my body. See, look at this red suit. Now I'm remembering one song. Tenu suit suit karda. Move bro, move. It's 9:49. I know I will reach on time. Please move. Where this bus will go? This Deepavali I thought I will go to home, but they are not allowing leave. It's not good now, and I'm not yet permanent. No, that's the reason. For intern, they are allowing only one sick leave in 1 month. So it's bad for me only, but still, it's fine, yeah. What can I do? It's not in my hand. I'm gonna go behind this scooter or something, tempo. Oh my god. So hot, so beautiful. I'm just telling, she is so beautiful. It doesn't mean I'm thirty. You know? You need to appreciate, God took some time to make her. That's why I'm appreciating. I'm not telling directly to her. Otherwise, she will put some case on me. That's called dangerous player. See how I passed between two buses. 9:53 I reached here. I reached too early, Now I can have something else as well if I want, like after breakfast. But I'm having cold, so I'm thinking to avoid to drink anything right now. I reached office almost. police is out there. Okay, do like, share, subscribe here. Bye.